To make the eye a little bit inset, it's fairly simple. You go over here and you select border, and then you select the border around the eye. Then go in and lock it. Now what you need to do is make sure move is selected up here, or select and move. Then hold down the shift key and then go in your right viewport and then just drag it to the right. And you'll see it creates an extra set of polygons for you on the inside. If I zoom in, you can see those. Yeah, they're right along here. If I do want to make them where they go in just a little bit, I can click on resize, and then I can go up here and I can just drag them down. And you see it makes me a little bit of a inlet there for my eye, which really will help with the actual look when I go in and put the eyeball in later. Now to go in and make the lips is a little bit more challenging, because what you have to do is you have to select all of these edges, these edge faces here around the edge of the lip. So click on edge, click on that first edge. I have to unlock it. Click on that first edge there, hold down the control key, and you see as I select each edge along the edge of the lip, it turns red. So I'm going to select all these edges here. Oop, I don't want that one. I have to go back and start over again. I may zoom in just a little bit and move it over just a little bit to make it just a little bit easier. If I zoom in, it just makes it just a touch easier to select all those. Now I am selecting them from my perspective window just because it is a little bit easier. Now once I select them, I want to lock it. That way I don't mess it up later. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my right viewport, click on select and move, and again hold down the shift key and drag it to the right. And now I'm just going to drag it just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an extra set of points there that I can deal with. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to move these up. So what I'll do is I'll just go in and rotate it around just a little bit like this. And then what I do is I pulled the top ones down a little bit. So what I need to do now is I need to pull the bottom ones up. So to do that, I'm going to go here to my select and move. Then I'm going to unlock it. And I'm going to select all these bottom edges here. Hold down my control key. Select these. I don't want that one. If you actually make a mistake and select the wrong one, sometimes it's easier just to go in and reselect it. Then you can just move them up once you get them all selected. And you can see you can now begin to start creating your bottom lip. And so that's what you'll do is you'll go in and you'll select these and you'll move them in and try to make that a rounded lip, because you can see over here it's rounded somewhat until you get them to match. And once you do that, you'll have a fairly decent lip for your Shrek character. And just do this, keep going in and building them in until you get your lip created. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to begin to start building the back of the head.